Okay, so now let us toss a coin, say 50 times, and record the outcome, heads or tails, each time. And let us say heads occurred 28 times, kunwari 28 times, and the tails occurred 22 times. So according to this experiment, so the probability of heads occurring is given as probability of heads, or P of heads, is equal to 28 by 50. So ang sample space natin is 50 times, and 28 times yung 28 times na lumabas yung heads. So meron tayong 28 by 50. And the probability of tails occurring is P of tails naman is equal to 22 by 50. Okay? So this is called experimental probability. Probability derived from a series of trials or experiments. So the probabilities obtained from experimental probability may differ as we increase the number of trials. So with a very large number of trials or experiments, the probabilities may come close to the actual theoretical probability. So in theoretical probability, we expect the occurrence of outcomes to be equally likely. So when all outcomes are equally likely, then the theoretical probability of an event E is given by probability of E, or P of E, is equal to number of favorable outcomes to E divided by total number of outcomes possible. Or P of E is equal to N of E divided by N of S, where N of E is the number of ways the event E can occur, and N of S is equal to the total number of possible outcomes. Okay? So doon sa example natin kanina na tossing a coin, ang probability na head ang lumabas is equal to 1 over 2, or 1 by 2. Kasi yung head natin is isa lang. Tapos yung possible number of outcomes natin is dalawa. Yung head at yung tail. Okay? Doon naman sa die, the probability of getting 3 for example, is equal to 1 by 6. Kasi yung number 3 doon ay iisa lang, di ba? Tapos yung choices natin doon is 6. 1, 2, 6. So the total number of outcomes doon is 6. Okay, so ang probability na makuha natin yung 3 or lumabas yung 3 ay 1 by 6. Okay?